Hey! You clicked on that thumbnail. Yes, you did. So that obviously means that you want to know how to make this. So keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ashleigh here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this awesome rustic sign. I don't know what else to call it, but it's going to have a Christmas tree on it. So you will be able to use this for some holiday decor. I hope you enjoy it. It's very, very easy and inexpensive to make, and let's get started. The main materials you're gonna need for this project are one Dollar Tree felt Christmas tree, one piece of plywood, one 1x2x8 pine board, wood stain, spray paint, and some bells. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to trim off a little bit of this Christmas tree at the bottom because it is a little too big for my piece of plywood, and I'm just going to be taking my permanent marker and scissors to do that. So now I'm going to take my leveler and I'm going to mark off where I need to cut off my top, and I'm going to take this to my table saw and I am going to trim this piece off. Alright, so now that everything is cut to size, I am going to take my spray paint and I'm going to begin to spray paint this tree onto the plywood. So now I'm going to take my pine board and I'm going to start to mark it off where I need to cut it, and I'm going to take it to my miter saw and begin to cut. Again, I will have the measurements down below for you. Now I'm going to take my favorite stain, which is dark walnut, and I'm going to begin to stain our frame. So after everything is nicely stained, I'm going to take my nail gun and start to nail my sides. Okay, and the last step, which is optional, is I'm just going to add these bells to where the frame is attached, and then that's it. You just add your sawtooth hanger to the back and you are ready to hang this baby. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, alright, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.